Hello friends, welcome to my channel Karthik at the Rating Sir. So friends, if you become to a partner of Amazon, or you can start your business with Amazon. So friends, I give you an opportunity to start your business with Amazon, or if you continue you increase your business with Amazon, you can. And or if there are so many job are available in the Amazon, so become how you become to partner with Amazon or make money from the Amazon. So I give you in this site. So friends, let's see. So friends, first we come to need Amazon.com. This is an one of the best shopping site available. So friends, we need to become Amazon.com. So friends, we need in this site to become a partner or to job or with the Amazon. So friends, we need to at the bottom of this site it uh, you can see here get to know us. You can see, so we need to career. If you click to this career, you can see find job, which type of the job are available. If you see here the opportunities for the student, Amazon also provide there's so many job for the student, learns about and search for and apply to internship and full-time opportunities for the student, and also give the fulfillment center hiring. If you want to a full-time job with Amazon, you can see here. And also software development job, explore the job opportunity, what it is like to be a software engineer. If you become an engineer, and to finding and also finding searching a job, you become to Amazon and take your job. There are the so many job are available. You can click here the view open job, you can get the job. So friends, in the explore opportunities, you can become a team partner with this Amazon. If you click here, all the necessary instructions are given, and to become a partner of Amazon. And you can see here the job category, which type of the job are available in this Amazon, and location, where you located and where you get a job. The location are available in this site. So friends, we need to first of all, you become and a student and even searching job, you can click here and view a job, which type of the job available for the student. You can see here 163 open job are available for the student program. This is the trending job. If you find, you can see here finance and analyst interim for CA applicant for invite only. If you click here and read more, which mm, the are necessary for this job, basic qualification, complete 2 year articleship, and all the instruction are given, and preferred qualification are given. And if you all the eligible you have, you can apply now. See, these are the student programming job, and the cloud support associate, MBA 1 years full-time opportunity 2018, and professional services 2021 next generation interim, yeah, and 2021 area manager interim. There are so many student job are available. You can see here all are posted in the trending job. You can see area manager job, this is posted in the 21 July 2021. This is the all are the recent job that's an uploaded it in amazonsite.com. This is the student programming job. And you can see here, student programming job are available 163, and the corporate job you can see is the corporate and become the full-time membership of the Amazon. You can see here the finance analyst and cloud support. uh, 2022 applied science internship, automated reasoning, computer vision, machine learning, all types of job available. You can see, here, read more, all the instruction are given in this here, or the necessary qualification and prefers qualification, and all the eligibility you have, all capability you have, you can go and apply now. So friends, these are the corporate job. This is one of the trending job. You can see here, uh, there are the 16 pages that are available. Job can enable product manager, data center engineering operator, business analyst, internship, graduate cloud support associate. This is only available in the South Africa. If you selected for this post, you remain stay in the Cape Town. Is the it is the capital of the South Africa. Data center engineering operating technician interim. There are the so many jobs are available in the corporate section, but we need uh, which type of the job are available. So friends, we need this is the corporate job, and you can see the student job, and we can see the other job fulfillment center hiring, or you can go to the center of the Amazon center, and where you can do complete yourself. You can see here the consumer finance 338 open job are available, and engineering IT sector 736 open job available, all types of job available, human resource, procurement, fulfillment center management, environment, health safety job, workforce safety job, all types of job available in this year. If you want to become an environment, health and safety, you just click here. You can see the 1619 open job are available. Health and well-being coordinators, uh, and WHS specialist, health and safety coordinators, WHS specialist. This is are the same type of job, but there is the location is different. It is available USMD is a Faroes Point, and it can available NJ for TNet. This is an placement job, or you can select it for this job. You go to this place and work in this place. All the eligible are available: high school equivalent diploma, minimum 1 years environmental and safety related field, bachelor degree knowledge, OSHA regulation. If you are eligible for this job, you can apply and go through this Amazon site and become a partner of the Amazon. This is an find environmental job. If you want to becomes and a human resource job, 834 job are available. You can say that so many job are available. So friends, we need to become the another job opportunity side. You can give this. If you become an engineer and finding or searching a job, you have to become a software development. If you click here, you can see the software job, software development engineer, software development engineer Berlin, and the software senior software development engineer, software embedded SW development engineer, senior software development engineer. There's so many software engineer job are available. You can see uh, there's so many job. You can see here there is 1541 pages are available. So friends, this job are so much, because most of the you can see here 1408 job are available for the software engineer. You can go and choose which you are more preferable, which you are in capability. You can choose and click and apply now. So means we need to say that another job opportunity. If you want to become a team partner of the Amazon, you click and become all instruction and eligibility and apply now and become a partner of this Amazon. If you click here location job in nearest job, if you click here job categories, which type of the job categories are available. If I click here administrative support, Amazon design, audio video photography production, business merchant development, data science, customer services, buying and planning, in stock management, and every section there are 500 to 1000 job are available. You can see a human research 2680 open job are available. These are the recent job the Amazon on putting in this site in Delhi, and the people come and take their job in their eligibility and make money through this site. So friends, I can see here there's a Amazon give us an opportunity and to come build the future with us. If you have any problem, you can join with Amazon, and you can and mail the Amazon on HR team, and you can say them what is your problem and what is the requirement to become a partner of Amazon, and you can click your job with Amazon with your eligibility and make money through this Amazon. So friends, don't waste your time and go to these Amazon jobs and choose your job and continue your job and build your future. So friends, thank you today. This giving an job opportunity site it so friends, you can get more motivated, and build your future brightful. So if you want to earn more money online opportunity, you can make, I can give, I can give a daily one video, with the online opportunities, online job available job and work from home job, that you can make money through this online. So friend, kindly subscribe my channel because I provide a daily video on YouTube channel. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.